Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the HTML tags, links, and anchors. As we have discussed the how to write the basic HTML code in the previous video, in this video we are going to discuss about the tags, links, and anchors. Usually, what is meaning of tag? Commonly, tags are used in HTML. There are various types of tags which are used. Document structure tag, doc type HTML. In the if we see the boilerplate code, we'll see various tags. In that, our first tag is doc type HTML. Specific the document type. Which document, based on which document it is, it specifies the specific document type, so that we'll give doc type HTML. And HTML closes the entire HTML document. The HTML document is starts by giving HTML tag, and the head tag contains meta information and links to scripts and style sheets. Body tag. Body tag contains the content of web page. Metadata tags. Metadata tags contain usually title. Title sets a web page. Usually, the title which we give between the title tag, which will be printed on the our website. Here in this, you can see we have given meta tag. Meta tag provides metadata such as character set, anchor set, and viewport settings. And here the metadata contain inside the head tag. See, this metadata is usually totally contained inside the HTML tag. Here we give some metadata which is given inside the head tag. Over here, we have various tags which are given in the text formatting tags, such as paragraph headings. In headings, here you can see H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 and H5 and H6 on. There are so many tags such as in this, we will have various type of font size by giving this tag. For H1, we have specific font size, whereas for H2, we have another specific font size. And here is a strong tag. Strong is a typical bold, and EM is typically Latin, and BR is line break tag. Will give it as the line need to be broken, and the other content which is written on the line will be continued from the next line. And here we write the contents inside the paragraph tag, which we need to be in a specific para. For that we use paragraph tag, which is over here, and the output will be like this. Here I said that H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, these contain various type of font size, I have said, right? We'll execute this code and we'll see that how the output will be there. Uh, this is the code which is there for this, and this is the output of that. For the H1, it is in the bigger size, and the H2 is smaller than the H1, and H3 is somewhat smaller than the H2. Like that, the font size will be decreasing. And these are the H1, H2 tags. And here is another tag which is strong tag, which is used to run the code to get the output. Okay, here is the code. I have written hi everyone inside of the strong tag. We are going to see what is em tag. What is em tag? Try writing hi everyone inside em. Okay, try it and see for the output. Here is em. Hi everyone, I have written. The output will be like this. And br tag is used for breaking. em which is used for describing the output. Here we have written welcome to full stack development. The list of tags I'll give you, okay? There are a list of tags, and what is a list tag? In HTML, the list tags are used to create organized lists of items. The UL tag defines an order list where items are displayed with bullet points, while the OL tag creates an ordered list. Here, UL defines an unordered list. Okay, we usually see that the some of the lists are in the order and some of the list is in order. Okay, right? These lists are represented by UL and OL tags. Unordered lists are defined with UL tag, and the OL tag is defined with ordered list. Okay, here we see this. Unordered list is denoted by UL, creating list of items where the orders does not matter. The items are typically displayed with the bullet points. Okay, in the unordered list we can find the list of items which are represented with the bullet points. Usually while writing a document we usually give some points in the bullet points, right? Same as that, in unordered list the list of items are denoted with bullet points, sorry. Ordered list, OL, it is represented by OL, creating the list of items where the order does not matter and the items are typically displayed within numbers or letters. You usually seen in some of the websites that the list will be given by denoting number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or small a, small b, small c, like that. Ordered list items which are present on the list, they are denoted by small letters, small alphabets, or numbers. And we have another one, list description list creates a list of terms and their descriptions, typically used for glossaries and definitions. Okay, this description list is usually denoted with DL. These items are this is usually used for grocery items and definitions. We'll write definitions in our website. There we use description list. This tag is used over there. Okay, if we see here unordered list, this is the code for that, and output will get like this. This is what UL tag. It is given in the bullet points. Okay, bullet point style. It will be in the circle format or in the square format, whatever it may be. It will be in the bullet points. Okay, and after this the output will be like this. If we give like this, if we type the specific shape over here, we'll get it in that shape. Here in the previous output you can see the circle bullet points, and in this you can see square bullet points. Okay, and you tried this by yourself. This example and this exercise you need to do it by yourself. Once try it by yourself. Here like this, there are various things. As soon as I upload the PDF, you can go check it out over there. And in this, why we use hyperlinks, we'll discuss why we use hyperlinks. A anchor tag, which are used to link one web page to the another, enable users to navigate between different pages or resources. They provide a way to connect related content, whether it is within the same website, interlinks, or external sites. Okay, over here, why we use hyperlink? As I said, JavaScript file link and CSS file link, we will link it in the HTML source. Where do we link it? In the head part. In the head part, over there, we link The links which are of JavaScript and CSS, we link over there by using a tag, anchor tag. Okay. Why use media tag? Over here in HTML, we use media tag for uploading audios, videos. As in the previous video which I have said, if you take example of a YouTube page, over there we upload various images and various videos over there, and audios also. For that website, we are going to take audio tag, video tag, and some other tags which are needed. Over here, these are hyperlinks and media tags used over here. The tag A, which is an anchor used for links. Suppose we need to give specific website link in your website. Okay, in your website you want to give the link of the other website, so there we'll copy the link of the website which we want to give it in our website. We just copy that link and we give it in the anchor tag. Okay. In image tag, it is represented with img tag. In this tag we are going to give the URL of the image, and audio tag we need to give audio content, and video tag we will give the video content. Here are some examples, just go through over this, and that's it for this video. We will learn more about in the next video. Okay, just go through all these examples and try to practice once in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, these are the codes. If you want the codes, you just please mention in the comment section. As per that, I'll provide you the source code file also. If you guys need it, you just please mention in the comment section. I'll send the source code also for all these websites.